subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Shoel Azari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a really cool and easy self-working card trick which you can do with any deck of cards, literally any deck of cards. If you have a complete deck of cards, that is a set of 52 cards, then this card trick will work anywhere, anytime, any moment. No setup is required for this trick, and that's what's so beautiful about this self-working trick is. Today we're going to learn this amazing self-working trick, but before that, let's see the performance.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, here is how the trick looks like. Now, before starting the trick, I want to say that this is a trick which I've learned in my school life. So I don't remember the name of the book from which I learned this trick, but I learned this trick in my school life, and this is a really crazy trick, and I used to pull this trick on every person and literally they used to freak out because it kind of works every time. So let's see how the trick looks like. Now first, I have this deck of cards, as you can see, and I'm going to give these cards a shuffle just like this. You can see that these cards are pretty much well mixed up right now. It's mixing up really good, right? So let's see. You can see that all the cards are mixed up, right? And it doesn't really matter what the order of the cards are, because I'm just going to select a few number of cards. For example, let's say this card or this card, and let's say this cards, let's say this and this card, or maybe this card. So I'm going to select like a few cards over here. As you can see, these cards, out of these cards, the spectator will actually select one playing card. Okay, but before that, I'm going to just give this a mix up. Okay, are you happy with it? Now I want my spectator to take any card from this pack. Okay, so let's say the spectator takes this card, the 8 of spades. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 8 of spades, put it on the top of this pack, and then I'm going to keep the other cards on top of that pack too, right? Now let me give this a shuffle just like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to deal down 4 piles of card, okay? And each time I'm going to reverse count from 10 to 1, and if I match while counting, if I match the card, then I'll just stop at that point. Okay, so first is like this: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I did not match this pile, right? I'm going to put a cap on it, just one card. The next, we are going to do the same with the other 3 piles. Okay, so 10. Okay, we have matched 10, right? So we are going to leave it over here. We are going to move on to the third pile. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No matching, so I'm going to put a cap over here. Now one more time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so we matched this 2. So right now we have these 4 piles, and we didn't match this one, we didn't match this one, we just matched this 2, right? So I'm going to add the value of this and this. So 10 plus 2 equals to 12, right? 1, I'm going to count it over here so that you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remember your card, it was the 8 of spades, right? See, your card is over here. So that is the trick, and yes, here's how it's done. Okay guys, this is how this card trick is done. Now first of all, for doing this card trick, you need a deck of cards, and you need actually a complete deck of cards. That means a deck with all the 52 cards present in it. Otherwise this trick won't work. Now at first, what you have to do is, the main key to this trick is number 44. So you have to place the spectator's card in the 44th position, and for that reason you might have seen in the performance that at first I have dealt out few cards. Actually, I was counting while I was dealing out few cards. I dealt out 9 cards because afterwards if I keep the spectator's card on the top of 8 cards, that means let's show you. Okay, so let's say the 9 cards that are selected from random are this one: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take these cards, fan this out to the spectator. The spectator will select one card and just see it. Now we have 8 more cards over here, right? And we have to keep this card in the 44th position. That means we have to keep this card in this position and then the entire pack of cards on top of it. And for that reason, if I have 9 cards over here, and after that if the spectator selects a random playing card, for example this one, and if I have to put this in the 44th position, I will just keep this card on the top of these 8 cards. So if I count this card as 44, then you will see that it completes the deck of cards. So this is 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. So as you can see, if this card is in the 44th position, the last card will be the 52nd card, and for that reason, if we have 9 cards over here, and the top card will be the card which is in the 44th position. So for that reason, a spectator selects a playing card randomly and I keep that on the top of these 8 cards. Now to select the 9 cards, what I actually do is I actually just go at random and I just throw 2 cards like this, then I count 1 card, then again I go and throw 3 cards this time. So we have 6. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 3, 6. Then we know that we need 3 more cards. So I go again like this and just throw 2 cards like this, then throw 1 card like this. So it looks like random, right? Because I'm doing it so haphazardly and so casually, it looks like random, that I'm randomly throwing a few number of cards. But what I'm doing is actually I'm counting the number of cards that I'm throwing, and that is 9. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Now the spectator, let's say, selects this playing card, which I'm going to just keep it on top of these 9 cards. And for the explanation, I'm going to keep this on the top faced up. And then after that, I'm going to keep all the other cards on top of this card. And this is how this trick is actually working. So when I'm making 4 piles of cards, each pile has a value of 11. Now I'm going to count backwards from 10, and for this trick you have to consider Jack, Queen and King to be 10 on each of their values, right? Because we are not going to count from 13 backwards. So for that reason we are going to count from Jack. We are going to take Jack as 10, we are going to take Queen as 10, and we are also going to take King as 10. So at this point what I'm going to do is I'm going to just count backwards 10. Oh, so you can see that I have matched the card over here. If this was any different card other than 10 or Jack or Queen or King, I would have continued like this. That means 10, then 9, just like that. But since I've matched this card with the value, I will actually leave this over here. The next one we'll do is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No match. Then we are going to put this card on top of it. Then we are going to just deal 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No match. We are going to keep this card on top of this entire pack as a cap. Now 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we match this one. For that reason, this cards won't be capped. Now if you see carefully, you will see that this is 1 card and 10 plus 1 is 11, right? And we have 10 cards over here: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 10 cards over here and then 1 more card over here. So this value also becomes 11. Just like that, this value also becomes 11. And we have 1 over here and in total we have 10 cards. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 1 plus 10 equals to 11. So if we add each and every one of these piles, then we will know that the sum will be 44. For that reason, I told that the key to this trick is number 44, where you are going to place your spectator's card. Now you're going to, since these two are kept, we're going to add this and this. That means 10 plus 1 equals to 11. So we are going to count down 11 cards. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and you can see the 11th card will be the spectator selected card. So that is how this trick will actually work. And yes, I know it's pretty much lengthy while explaining, but if you understand each and everything, then you will be able to do this trick. So let's say for the special cases like this, for example, in which the cards doesn't match. So let's say the first pile in which you have counted from 10 to 1, the cards didn't match and you have capped it. Same with the second one, same with the third one. And the fourth one has the same case with it. So the card that you're going to use to cap this fourth pile is the card that is selected by the spectator, because this is the 44th card. Because if you calculate like this, we have 10 faced up cards over here and then one more card. So we have 11 cards over here. Like that, the similar way, we have 11 over here, we have 11 over here. So 11 plus 11 equals to 22, plus 11 equals to 33, plus 10 cards equals to 43, and this is the 44th card, which is the spectator selection. So for that reason, the last pack, if it doesn't match, you're not going to cap it. Instead, you're just going to take this card and you're going to say to your spectator that I'm not about to cap this pack because all the other packs are capped. So the card that is ending up over here is the card that you have selected, and turn that card over, and the spectator will be amazed. So that is how this card trick actually works, and that is the tutorial for this card trick. So that's it. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing self-working trick. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Shoal_Zari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that, and don't forget to check out my other channel, which is a pretty much savage channel. I post funny videos over there, and link to that channel will be given in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace!